everyone, welcome to Stock Market Gurugalu. So today in this video we'll discuss about the very basic things about the stock market, and I hope this video will help you to begin your stock market journey. And going forward also I will be making a similar stock market related videos. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video please hit a like button and hit a bell icon to get a more updates on this channel. So today in this video we'll discuss about the as I said, very basic things like how to read the chart patterns of the company, and where to see the latest news related to the any particular stocks, and how to compare two particular stocks, and where to see the financial results, and where to see the balance sheet, and how to validate the cash flow, and where to show these shareholding patterns. So coming to the first thing. Okay, the first thing is, let's say you want to study any particular stock and you want to know all the basic things about the that particular stocks. So to know that, just go to the directly Google and search about that particular company. Let's say for example, I want to know about the TCS. So the TCS already I searched in the search bar. I will just clicking on that, and now you navigated to the TCS share, where it has all the basic details. So let's go through all the details like what it contains. And so here if you see, this is the company name and this is listed in NSE. It is also listed in BSE, but here in the Google it's showing NSE, and this is TCS, and this is the current market price. So by default, today's the 1 day chart pattern is selected. So this is the overall chart pattern, and you can even see the 5 days, 1 month, 6 month, the chart patterns, and year to day, which means from January to till date, like the stock changes, the price changes we can see here. And in the more option you have 1 year, 5 year, and a max means the from when it listed to till date. So I will show you like by clicking on each of the button. Okay, so if you see the 5 days, the company ran this much, and for the 1 month you can see the chart pattern changes, and for the 6 months it is 12.61% down, and year to date is 23.23. And if you click on more, you see three options: 1 year, 5 year, and max. So if I click on 5 years, you can see the 5 year changes, and for the max you can see the max changes. So this is the overall chart pattern of the company. Okay, as I said, from the starting of the if I select the max, from starting of the when it listed and the till date. Okay, and similarly if you come down, so you can see some more details. So this is a 1 day chart pattern. So like in what price it is open, and what is the high it reached, and what is the low. Okay, and its market capitalization. So it has a market cap of 11.42 lakh crore. So it is in a lakh crore. And the PE ratio, so it is having a 23.18 PE, and the dividend yield. So the what is the PE ratio, dividend, what is the dividend yield, everything I will explain in my upcoming videos. So currently you just know like all the basic details. So it is giving a dividend of 1.93%, which can be like yearly or quarter. Basically like this TCS will give every quarter. Okay, so yeah, so if you come down somewhat, and if you click more about Tata Consultancy, you will navigate to the more details. Okay, now here the next is compare to. You can see the compare to. Suppose if you want to compare with any other company, and you can just hit you can compare with the other company also. Let's say I will just compare with the Infosys, which is a similar sector company, which is also a IT company. Like if I click on that, you can see. So this blue mark icon is a TCS, and the yellowish is the Infosys, and you can see like what is the current market price and how much percentage is it is up or down today. And if you just come upside in chart patterns also, you can see the difference. So this is the TCS, and this is the Infosys. And if you even uh, select the 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, and max also, so you can see as both are a similar sector company, you will see some similar patterns in the even chart patterns also. Like here you can see like this is also going up for this particular time interval, and this is also similarly, like you can see some similar chart patterns in the both the companies. Okay, so now we'll go to the next. And similarly you can compare with some other companies also. And in the next section you can see the news. Suppose uh, this company related any particular news came, or it may be a negative or positive. So everything will be like populated in the news section. So this is in Google only, I'm showing like everything is in Google only. So you can see the top newses. Okay, and if you come down now, the financials. So this is a quarterly financials, you can see, which is selected here, which is a recent June quarter financials. And if you come down, you can see the revenue. The here year and year comparison is there, and you can see the changes here, 1.132% revenue. So in the June quarter, year on year change is 1.32% upside. Operating expenses also increase, and net income is increased to 5.98%. And similarly EBITDA and everything like net profit margin also increase. So similarly you can like study like this, like whatever company you want. And now I will go down. And if you go right side, right, so you can see here. So here also it is mentioned the P ratio and dividend yield, and the primary exchange in the NSE, year range, like from this range to this range it is ran. And day change, like from it is opened at this and now it is at this, and previous close is also shown. And if you come down, you can see the more about the company, like what it does and when it is um, found. And you can, if you go to the Wikipedia direct link, it is give out everything about the company, like current who is the CEO and when it is founded, and this is the company's website and total employee sites. All these details will be available in the Google only. So yeah, so this is about the when you search in the Google, you will find all these details. Now the second thing. Okay, second thing. So second thing is the balance sheet, like way to find the balance sheet. There is one beautiful website is there, which is Money Control. So Money Control is the one good website to know the balance sheet. So I will directly go there. Like I will again go to the Google and search in the Google only. Okay. Okay. Now I am in Google. I am now searching the TCS balance sheet Money Control. So it is already in search bar. I'm just clicking on that, and the first link will navigate to the directly to the TCS balance sheets. So here you go. So this is the, if you can scroll down, you can see now. So this is the balance sheet of the Tata Consultancy Services. In balance sheets, the main thing you should concentrate is reserves and surplus. So whichever company is giving a good profit, some part of that will go to the reserves. So whichever company is having a good resource means it is a very profitable company. So you can see here yearly wise data is there, like in March 21 it is 74,000, and again March 22 76, it is increased, and here somewhat down, March 24 74, and again it is down. But again in this March 25 the reserves are increased. So if you see like as this is a very large cap company, you can see more reserves here, like 75,000 to 55 crores. So which is basically a good thing actually. And the next thing you should observe is a long term borrowing. So you can see here long term borrowing of this company is zero, and in previous quarters also it is zero. So it is not having any borrowings. And there is one more thing is short term borrowing, so that will be shown down here. You can see the short term borrowing also zero. So we can say this is a purely debt free company. So I basically call it as a pdf. So it is a purely debt free company. So in this balance sheet you should see mainly these things. There are some other things will be there, like there will be uh, contingent liabilities and everything. Those I will be like explaining in my upcoming videos. I mean, what is the contingent liabilities and everything. So for now, this is a very basic thing. So you can um, learn these things in my upcoming videos. Okay. So now coming to the third thing. So there is one more website called screeners.com. So here I'm not like promoting any applications or apps. I'm just giving you a good websites to know the basic things about the companies. So as I said, the third thing is a screener.com. So where you will find all the basic things and the other details also. So I will just directly go to that screener.com to show more about the application. So okay. So now again I came to Google and just again search TCS screener. So if I search TCS screener, you can, the first link will come and you can hit on that and you will directly navigate to the screener website, and which contains the company. So okay, so here you can see it has a company name here first, and the current market price, and what is the percentage is ran today. And you here it is beautifully written in expanded mode, like what is the total market cap, current price, what is the high and low, what is the dividend and the face value, the book value, everything you can able to see now, ROCE, and what is the PE ratio. And if you want to know more about the company also, you can just hit on this about section, you can know about that. And even for read more also you can but for this you need to navigate, but for now it's not required. I'm just going down, and here also you can see the chart patterns. It is having chart patterns of both price and the P ratio. Okay. And if you come down, so this is the beautiful thing in this particular website is it will list out the all the pros and cons of the company. So what are the main pros and cons of the company? You can see that cons are like stock is trading 12.1 times its book value, and the company has delivered a poor sales growth of 10.2 over the past few years. So these are the basic main pros and cons, and pros also you can read. Okay. And if you come down, and this is a peer comparison. So in the similar sector, as it is an information technology sector, so in the similar which is IT software, so in the similar sector the other companies will be there. So we can see the peer comparison here. So if you see like Infosys, HCL, and etc., and you can compare its PE and current market price, market capitalization, dividend yield. Based on all these parameters, you can decide like which company you should go for an investment. Okay. The profit variables, variations, and the sales growth and the percentage, everything you can able to see here. Okay. So let's go to other. So here the quarterly results, like what are the profit and loss, everything you can see here from June 2022 to the recent quarter, that is June 2025. You can see all the profit and loss here. And so this is the extended version of the profit and loss. And the main things every news channels will disclose is this particular profit. Like you can see the, in the recent quarter, the TCS company is has announced the 49,511 crore profit, something like that. Okay. And if you come down, You can see more about the compounded sales growth, like for the 10-year, 5-year, and 3-year compounded profit growth, and the CAGR in the percentage value. Return on equity also you can see that for 10 years 41%, 5 years 47%. Okay, so and the next thing is a balance sheet. Here also it's given very nicely, as compared to the even money control. So here also you can see the balance sheets, what are the total assets, and what are the borrowings. Like as I said, in the money control also there will be a long term borrowing and the short term borrowing. So basically now it is zero, and if you see earlier it has some borrowings, but it has reduced and it came to zero in the 2020, and now it is not having any borrowing. And similarly for the short term also it is not having any borrowing. As I said, in the balance sheet you should see borrowing and also reserves and the surplus. So you can see the reserves here, like initial 2014 to the 2025, it has around 94,394. Okay, so this is the reserves. And if you come down, this is the cash flow. So in this cash flow, this thing is very important. There is cash from the operating activity. So which means, suppose let's say like the company is sector is IT. So from the IT, how much it is earning, that is what called cash from the operating activity. So the company may earn from the other aspects also, like investing in some other company or something related to the financial activity. It may earn from that also. So but to be a good company, it should earn from its the prime business. So and it should be positive. You can see this March 2025, uh, it is a positive. Like obviously it is a positive because it's a very large cap company. And there are other aspects also there, other ratios. And this is also one of the main thing, like shareholding patterns. uh, so now if you can see, the promoter is having 71.77, and the FIS and DIS, foreign institution investors, and DIS are like domestic institution investors. And here government also is having some stakes, and the rest is public. And in the latest quarter you can see like how much the promoter, FIS, DIS, and the government and the publics are holding. Okay, so and if you come down, so yeah, this is all about the screeners. Yeah, so yeah, these are the all basic things you need to like see if you want to learn particular about the stock or anything. Okay, so before investing. Yeah guys, so this is all about today's video. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. Yeah, thank you so much.